Hello, everyone. Today we are going to see the concept of retailing. What exactly is retailing? So, retailing includes all the activities involved in selling goods or services to the final consumers for their personal use. Now, when we talk about retailing, firstly, we need to understand who is a retailer or what is a retail store. So, retail store is any business enterprise whose sales volumes comes primarily from retailing or from the non-business use. So, otherwise, we can also say retailer is a person who tries to break the bulk and will be able to try to sell the particular goods in a smaller quantities. As we all know, if we are buying the goods from the wholesaler, he will not be able to provide you in a smaller quantity. But the retailer will be having an access to break the bulk and will be able to provide the goods in a smaller quantities to the consumer as per his requirement. Now we are going to see what is the definition of a retail store, what are its function and the components. So retail store is a place of business that sells the merchandise in a small quantities directly to the consumers. According to NIACS Association, retailers are divided into two types. The type 1 is store retailers and type 2 is non-store retailers. Store retailers operate fixed point of sales location to display and sell the merchandise directly to the general public. Now, next, we are going to see what are the different types of retail store. The first type of retail store is furniture store, home furnishing store, automotive dealers, electronics and appliance stores, building material and supplies dealers, lawn and garden equipment, supply stores, grocery stores, specialty food stores, beer and wine liquor stores, health and personal care stores, gasoline station, clothing stores, shoes stores, jewelry, luggage and leather goods stores, sporting goods, hobby and musical instrument stores, bookstores, news dealers, departmental stores, general merchandise stores, florist, office supply, stationery and gift stores, used merchandise stores, and other miscellaneous store retailers. So now you can see that how many different types of retail stores are there. And many a times it happens that we do not categorize into a retail store. But hereafter, whenever you're seeing any such kind of store, you understand that these are the different types of retail store. For example, when we talk about retail store, Walmart is a retail store which falls under which category? It falls under the grocery store type. Whereas CVS is a retail store which falls under the health and personal care store type and the subtypes of pharmacies. And Sephora is a retail store that also falls under the health and personal care stores type, but under the subtype of cosmetics, beauty supplies, and perfume stores. So you can see when we take the differentiation of CVS and Sephora, both are coming under the health and personal care store, but whereas CVS is coming under the subtype of pharmacy, whereas Sephora is coming under the subtype of cosmetics and beauty supplies and perfume stores. And whereas when we talk about Walmart, this is coming under the grocery store type. So I hope these examples will help you to understand these are the brand names, global brand names, and these global brand names are coming with specific type of retail store category. So this is a brief introduction about our retailing, and I hope this is clear to all of you, and we'll meet in the next session. Thank you.